Hi everybody! Today, we'll learn how to extract unique values from a list using Excel's dynamic array functions. The unique function automatically removes duplicates from a range. For example, in our names column, John appears twice and Mary appears twice. Using equals unique on that range returns just John, Mary, and Chris. Now, if we only want names where check-in equals yes, we first use filter to get those rows, then apply unique. The formula equals unique, filter, A2 to A6, comma, B2 to B6 equals yes, returns John and Chris. You can combine unique with sort to get an alphabetically ordered list. Using equals sort, unique on the same range gives Chris, John, Mary. These dynamic array functions save time, clean your lists, and make your data much easier to work with.